Hi, Poppy here. This is Heart Health 3A. In Heart Health 3, nurses, God love them, told you about nurses. Well, this is 3A, technicians. Playing with the lights. Technicians. Everybody talks about their cardiologist. Good, bad, whatever. They all talk about their cardiologist. And everyone talks about nurses. Right? You ever hear anyone talk about the technicians? Think about it. That young lady who puts you into the nuclear scan tube to look at what's happening in your heart. She's as much of the importance of your getting better, or at least not dying. Sometimes it's, not getting better, it's just keeping them from, boxing out, they call it. The rest of the world calls it dying. Anyway, technicians. They take your blood. X-ray you, ultrasound you. All kinds of things that doctors want to know about. If they have to sample you or image you, put you in a magnetic field and see how your atoms line up. Well, that technician is a professional. Yesterday, when I was at St. Helena for nuclear stress, I met a technician. I won't say her name, I don't have permission. But I'll tell you, she's really good. About 30. Bright. Very skilled. When she put the IV in for the isotope, so it can do the nuclear scan, she said, there's going to be a little stick here. You turn your head and you don't look. I'm sitting there. I look when I feel the tape. No little stick. None of this in, out, wiggle around, try and find the vein. And she didn't even have to pull back on the syringe because she got flush. Single. Quick, painless. I didn't feel it going through the skin. And straight to flash. All she had to do was cap it. That is the kind of people that St. Helena Hospital hires to do their technical work. Like I said, I won't tell you her name because I didn't get permission. I didn't think about it. Hey, can I tell people on YouTube that you're the greatest? Didn't think about that. So, without permission, I can't say her name. Can't describe her. But then, they know who put the IV in, so, she's that good, huh? But people don't talk about the technicians. They should. They really should. The other technician on the other side of the corridor for the other part of the testing yesterday for adenosine. She good too? Humorous. She didn't have to stick me with anything. You know, but she did her job efficiently, with a sense of humor. Though sometimes, people can be just do the job, get it done. Oh, you talking to me? Why are you talking to me, mister? They don't seem to get those people in St. Helena Hospital. They pick people who care. Anyway, so when you go to the hospital and you're having tests, don't snap at the technician. If you have to whine and snivel, oh, it hurts, they have to do it that way. That they understand and respond to. But don't. Be good to your technicians. Heart health. Stop smoking. Go on a diet. Be good to the technicians and nurses. Good night.